Hey YouTubers, Redneck Brian here. I just want to do a really quick video on the old trusty Troy-Bilt here. This is going to be a cold start. I have not touched this thing since I moved it. I have not touched it. I've started it a couple times, but I have not drove it. I have not done anything to the engine. That's what I mean by touching it. So I'm going to start it up for you. There's no choke. Choke is off. Pop the hood. My hand is on the valve cover. Now it's on the exhaust manifold, as you can hopefully see. I'm going to fire this thing up for you. Just to prove that this thing was cold. Come over here, we're already on the other side. There's the exhaust manifold muffler right in there. Make this stay up. My hand is on the exhaust. Yeah. Hands on the valve cover. This shows you that when this thing sits, it starts and runs like a bag of shit. Let's do that again. Of course, now it won't do it. There you go. That just shows you that when this thing wants to run good, it runs good. I may be having a few changes to some things out here. More on that tomorrow. Only one person knows about it. And I have to stay tuned until tomorrow. Bye for now. Sweet.